MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional AC leak repair in Pottstown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses maintain efficient and reliable cooling. Air conditioning leaks can lead to reduced performance, higher energy bills, water damage, and system breakdowns if left untreated. Our experienced technicians quickly identify the source of the leak, whether it involves refrigerant lines, drain lines, or system components, and perform lasting repairs. We work with all major AC brands and focus on restoring optimal performance and efficiency. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable AC leak repair in Pottstown, PA, and keep your cooling system operating smoothly all season long. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an AC leak repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides AC leak repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional AC leak repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses experiencing air conditioning performance issues. What causes air conditioner leaks? Air conditioner leaks can occur for several reasons, including refrigerant line damage, clogged condensate drains, frozen evaporator coils, or corrosion within the HVAC system. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides AC leak repair in Pottstown, PA to identify and correct these issues quickly. What is your AC leak repair in Pottstown, PA? Our AC leak repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashfats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.